YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to do a Bumble and Bumble Let's Get Teased Without a Tease. Check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. So I want to do a quick tutorial on this new Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dryspun Texture Spray. Now, I am a girl who likes big hair. I am a pageant girl. I am a former professional dancer for the NBA. I just love, and I'm old school, and I love that big, tousled, sexy hair, and I'm short, so of course I think the more volume, the taller it makes me look. I don't know if that's true, but I just like it. That's just my preference. I like big hair. So I am the queen of teasing. The problem is, it is kind of old school, and I don't know. I mean, it's kind of played out. I guess you can say that, but I just love that look of big hair. But really, there hasn't been any products on the market that has allowed me to do that without actually having to take this blue comb and use it. So finally, Bumble and Bumble came out with this dry spun texturing spray, and it actually thickens your hair. So those girls who have very fine hair that want some volume, even for girls who have thicker hair that want the volume but don't want to have to tease it, this is a great spray. So I am going to put this to the test on camera, and it comes like in a aerosol spray, and it runs, I want to say like $39, I want to say, at Sephora. You can buy it or anywhere. Amazon, Bumble and Bumble, the website. There's several different websites. Beautylish, I think, offers Bumble and Bumble. I'm not quite sure if Ulta does. But right now, Sephora has a gift pack, and I talked about it in my holiday gift, so don't forget to check out that video. And it actually comes with shampoo and conditioner. So you get two little travel-sized shampoo and conditioners that look like this in the box. So these are great for traveling, as you can see right here. This is awesome that it comes with the shampoo and conditioner plus the texturing spray for $29. So for less, you're actually getting a full-size can plus shampoo and conditioner right now. So it's just during the holiday season, so go out and get that at Sephora. I will link everything at the bottom. But let's talk about this spray, because this is pretty amazing. It creates instant volume and holds airy texture all day. Isn't that what we all want? Just that walked out of the beach or walked out of a magazine, like your hair is blowing and you're nice and volumized, you're a Victoria's Secret's model. They just have that beautiful full hair. Now right now my hair is kind of short, but you can still create some pretty good volume out of it. So normally I would take my teasing comb and I would take sections and tease it and get it all straight. I'd spray it. I like the Way soft hair spray, but if I don't have to do that and I can just use this one spray, that's all I have to bring when I travel, or that's all I have to use when I'm at home. So that's, and to me, you don't have to worry about, and a lot of times you'll even see it from some of my videos, I'll have some parts sticking out a little, or it just looks ratted a little, but I just like the volume, so I can't stop teasing. But this is a great alternative to that, and it smells really good too. So what you would do is you would just normally blow out your hair, do a nice blowout, blow dry, flat iron if you have to. Even if you wore the beach waves or curls, whatever you want to do, just do that first. Stylize your hair first. So let's just say this is normally how I wear it, just kind of straight. Now I'm going to take this dry spun texture spray. I'm going to actually put my mirror right here so I can actually see what I'm doing. That might help. All right, so I'm going to take this, and all you're going to do is you're going to take like a section right here, and you're just going to kind of blow it into the roots. Blow it into the roots. You're actually going to spray it into the roots. Yeah. And then you're going to just look at that instant volume it kind of created right there. See how that is? Oh, isn't that beautiful? I didn't even have to tease. I didn't have to do anything. So what I would do is I would take my brush, and I'm just going to kind of brush it up a little right here. I'm going to take the spray and just spray it at the roots. Just kind of mess it up a little. Look at that. Instant volume, you guys. And it smells so good. So I'm going to take that, I'm just going to kind of spray it in there, and just, I mean, you create the volume you want. So if you don't want that much volume, then you don't have to really do much. You just have to spray it there. Now, if you really wanted a lot of volume, you would have to just take each section and just kind of like spray it. I would just stick to the roots and then just kind of use your hand just to kind of boost it up. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell it through the camera because it smells so good. And just kind of just spray where you want. But look at how that just created so much volume rather than taking each section and teasing it. And I'm just going to kind of do the bottom part right there. Now I had flat ironed my hair, so I got kind of flat from my blowout. So this kind of just brings that volume back. So voila, you have a nice volumized look without having to tease your hair and make it look all ratted. What happens is when I blow it out, it's really nice and it's nice and full, but then as soon as I hit that flat iron, it starts to flatten. So this gives me that lift right back up, and I've just been really digging it. And you can take each section and make it as volumized as you want. You can go a little bit lower and get more volume to, through the bottom area, not just the top. I really like the Bumble & Bumble products. I'm a huge fan of this company. No, I am not sponsored. This is my honest, true opinion of this product. I purchased it myself from Sephora, and I am in love with this product. I would keep repurchasing this. I don't care that it's a little bit more money, because sometimes, especially when you spend so much money on bleaching out your hair, you really want a product that's going to work. And the good part is not having to tease it. When you have bleached out hair or just over processed colored hair, you have to be so careful when you tease, because it really can start to look and really accentuate how fried your hair is. It can really accentuate it could just make it look messy. And I know I'm guilty of it, but this spray has been a game changer for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this short little tutorial on how to use this product. I hope this is a good gift idea. Please don't forget to check out my other video on holiday gift ideas, and please set your notification bell for future videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye!